Accura AMX High Temp 300C is an ultra-high temperature resistant rigid plastic designed for applications where heat resistance is critical. With a heat deflection temperature exceeding 300 degrees Celsius at low stress, it stands as the industry's most heat-resistant SLA material. This material offers unparalleled thermal stability, eliminating the need for post-thermal curing, which significantly shortens our production workflow. Its translucency makes it perfect for elevated temperature fluid or gas flow visualization, allowing engineers to evaluate internal features and fluid dynamics with ease. Accura AMX High Temp 300C is incredibly versatile, suited for a wide range of high-temperature applications. High-temperature components testing, ideal for HVAC systems, consumer appliances, motor enclosures, stators, and more. Low-pressure molding and tooling, perfect for working with expanding foams and rubbers. Functional prototype and production components, excellent for fixtures, mounts, housings, white goods, and personal care products. Fluid or gas flow visualization, optimal for observing elevated temperature fluid dynamics. Overmolding, reliable and robust for various overmolding applications. Accura AMX High Temp 300C brings several key benefits to your engineering projects. Production-grade material, ensures durability and reliability in demanding environments. High heat resistance, perfect for testing and use in high-temperature settings. Streamlined production, no need for post-thermal curing means faster turnaround times. Excellent visualization, ideal for evaluating internal features and fluid flow performance. Chemical and auto fluid compatibility, ensures material stability and performance in contact with various substances. When it comes to high-temperature applications, trust the industry's leading material. Accura AMX High Temp 300C, engineered for excellence, designed for the future. Please contact the team to discuss your next prototype project or to learn more about how Accura AMX High Temp 300C can revolutionize your engineering projects.